cloud, half a mile wide, rolling high above the city lights. A very worried Joe, SOS, TV and radio. In silence, the silence through Ruskin Heights. Ruskin tornado, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Up from the gates of hell, the freight train roars. Ruskin tornado tore the S&K from the marquee, but the ruin wasn't near as bad as it would have been were it not for Joe Walsley. There's no big hatchet plan or royal grievance, just a true man's man with independence. In World War II, as a one-man weather band, Joe kicked off his career with I Am the Bomb, and the buck stops here. Ruskin tornado, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Up from the gates of hell, the freight train roars. Ruskin tornado tore the S&K from the marquee, but the ruin was near as bad as it would have been were it not for Joe Walsley. Star-Spangled Banner at a Ruskin baseball game was ruined by thunder less than a mile away. But if you live in the Midwest, you just take it with a grain of salt. Predictions are risky business, and the weather ain't no one's damn fault. Ruskin tornado blew the S&K to Timbuktu, but the ruin wasn't near as bad as it would have been if not for oh you know who. It's summer, it's 110 degrees. In winter, 30 below. In springtime, you put new batteries in an old transistor radio. And when the sky gets nasty and the tornado sirens blow, we remember the Ruskin hero who signed his teletype, Tornado Joe. Ruskin tornado, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Up from the gates of hell, the freight train roars. Ruskin tornado tore the S&K from the marquee, but the ruin was near as bad as it would have been were it not for Joe Walsley. red night for Joseph Falls Lake.